at a time when the availability of land as well as water for farming is getting reduced day by day. There is no other way in which the productivity can be increased except through supply of improved superior planting material. It was for this reason that we got into tissue culture as a technique for micro-propagation of large number of plants which are disease free.
Tissue culture as a technology was introduced in India in the early 90s. Jain Irrigation Systems Limited is the pioneer organization in introducing and spreading the use of this technology in India. Jalgaon is known as the banana bowl of the country, and banana is also the most successful crop in the tissue culture industry worldwide. Initially, the company undertook extensive research with respect to various internationally accepted exotic varieties of banana to find out the most suitable variety for Indian climate, with the objective of improvement in productivity and quality of the crop.
Tissue culture is a novel technology of growing plant cells or tissues on an artificial nutritive growth medium to produce whole plant. If you see the beauty of tissue culture technology, one can produce large number of plantlets within a small space and short time.
A sucker is selected from an elite mother plant from the mother nursery. The tissue from the sucker is tested for diseases in the virus indexing laboratory. A disease-free healthy tissue is thus selected to be propagated. A careful process of initiation, multiplication, elongation, and rooting is undertaken. In this entire process, utmost care is taken of plantlets in order to avoid any kind of contamination. This ensures a healthy future for all the plantlets. Thus grown plantlets are then transported for their acclimatization, known as hardening, to the greenhouse. The plantlets are cleaned, sorted and replanted in a new premixed nutritive growth medium in optimally designed trays. The primary hardening is also done under strict supervision and in highly controlled conditions to ensure growth and strengthening of plantlets. After this, the plants are moved into the polyhouse, where they are kept for secondary hardening. Here the plants are semi-exposed to the open weather conditions outside. These plantlets that are pre-ordered by the growers are then transported in specially designed vehicles to the doorstep of the farmer, who keeps his farms prepared for plantation. The plantlets are true to type to the high-yielding mother plant. The plantlets are genetically uniform. The plantlets in a batch are of the same age. This facilitates better irrigation and fertigation management. Due to propagation through tissues, which can be virus indexed for diseases, virtually disease-free plants have become a reality. Accelerated plant growth due to well-developed root system reduces the crop cycle to 12 months. Also, ratooning is possible.
पूर्वी आपली साधी केळी 15 महिन्यात एकदा संपायची, तसं टिश्यू कल्चर ही 12 महिन्यात संपते, म्हणून आम्हाला 30 महिन्यात 3 वेळा कापणी पिलबाग घेऊ शकतो. आमच्या स्वतःचा अनुभव आहे.
पहले हम शक्कर लगाते थे और फ्लड से पानी देते थे, उसमें मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा खर्चा आता था और यील्ड कम मिलती थी. तब से जैन टिश्यू आया सन 2001 में, केवल हमने 2000 पौधे लगाए, उसका रिजल्ट देखा. उसके बाद हमने 2002, 3 और 4 में तकरीबन 4.5 लाख पौधे लगाए.
कंद पद्धतीने केळी घेत होतो, त्याचं मला जवळजवळ 30% केळी वाया जात होती. आता मी जवळजवळ 95% केळी टिश्यू कल्चरमुळे कापतो आहे आणि त्याच्यामुळे माझं उत्पन्न भरपूर वाढलेलं आहे.
લોકો એવી રીતે પણ વાત કરે કે આ ખેતી આવી રીતે ના થાય, આટલા 12 રૂપિયાનો છોડવો લાવીને આપણે ખોટો ખર્ચો કરવાનો, એના કરતાં રૂપિયાનો ગાંઠિયો લાવીને આપણે રોપવો સારો. પણ તે છતાં પણ અમે સાહસ કરી અને 12 રૂપિયાનો છોડવો અમે રોપ્યો અને જે વખતે એનું રિઝલ્ટ મળ્યું તે વખતે લોકોને ખબર પડી કે ખરેખર ટિશ્યુ કલ્ચર શું છે.
We have entirely changed the system of banana cultivation because to adopt the technology like tissue culture, we need to modify all our package of practices. We have changed the planting distance, the planting time, planting season, method of plantation, method of irrigation, because if you are using a high-tech technology and banana saplings, we need to irrigate the banana saplings with the help of micro irrigation, and with the help of drip we can irrigate as per the requirement of the plant. With the help of fertigation, the technology of application of nutrient to drip irrigation, we are providing nutrition from the 7th day of plantation, and this way we have shown the excellent result.
Along with tissue culture saplings and drip irrigation, the company has been regularly providing guidance and technological know-how to the farmers. Through consistent technological support, agronomical support, field days, farmers training programs, and Krishi Melas, awareness has been created among farmers about ways to maximize their productivity and thereby their profits.
जैन कंपनी ही फक्त टिश्यू कल्चर विकतच नाही, पण त्यानंतर सर्व्हिस पण खूप चांगल्यापैकी देते. तर वेळोवेळी कंपनीचे तज्ज्ञ येऊन त्या शिफारसी करतात की आता हे फर्टिलायझर हे करा, स्प्रेइंगच्या शिफारसी करतात आणि आम्हाला त्या सर्व्हिसमुळे फार फायदा होतो.
இன்ஸ்ட்ருமெண்ட் பார்த்துருக்காங்க சக்ஸஸ்ஃபுல்லாக 98% கட்டிங்கும் அந்த ஆவரேஜ் 33 கேஜும் ஃபிங்கர்லேருந்து 24லேருந்து 21 ஏ ப்ரீமியம் ஆர் ஏ ஃபஸ்ட் கிளாஸ் கலர்ஃபுல் பனானா வந்து எங்களுக்கு கிடைச்சிருக்கு. அதனால் எங்களுக்கு வெரி ஹாப்பி.
In spite of the high-tech farming practices, the losses in harvesting and transportation are nearly 26 to 29%. In order to counter these losses, a model has been developed by the company, which involves pre- and post-harvest management. This includes use of skirting bags on bunches, hand peeling, de-handling of bunches on the farm, grading, fungicidal treatment, and packaging of raw banana in crates and boxes to facilitate ripening in scientific manner.
We have improved the productivity of Maharashtra and Jalgaon district from 24 metric tons to 100 metric tons, and some farmer 127 metric tons per hectare. So with the help of Jains, the productivity of banana has increased by 350%.
The company has made the tissue culture technology popular in banana growing states like Maharashtra, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Goa, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Orissa, West Bengal, Assam, and Rajasthan. It has also been proven that with the Jain model of banana cultivation, banana can also be grown in lower temperature states like Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Jharkhand, Manipur, and Nagaland. Jain tissue culture is slowly becoming a revolution in banana cultivation in the country.
20 एकड़ में जो केला की खेती करता हूँ और 150 एकड़ धान की खेती, दोनों में बहुत अंतर है. धान की खेती में मुश्किल से 10,000 रुपये एकड़ प्रॉफिट होता है और केले की खेती में 1 लाख से 2 लाख के बीच में प्रॉफिट दिख रहा है.
The company started the commercial propagation of tissue culture banana in 1994-95 in the pilot scale laboratory with production capacity of 0.5 million plantlets per annum. This capacity was increased to 5 million in 2001 and 10 million in 2004. In 2008, the capacity has been increased to 30 million plantlets per annum, which will be gradually increased up to 100 million by 2016.
Year when we started activity, it was not really able to sell 50,000 plants. But if you see today, Jain Irrigation has capacity to produce 30 million plantlets per annum. But we are not able to fulfill the demand of the farmers. Farmers book their plants some 6 months or 8 months in advance. So that is the success of technology.
पण इतर कंपन्यांच्या टिश्यू कल्चर रोपांमध्ये अप टाईपचे रोपं, व्हेरिएशन आणि रोगग्रस्त असे खूप प्रॉब्लेम आले आहेत. म्हणून मी जैन टिश्यू कल्चर रोपांचीच करतो बुकिंग आणि त्याच्यापासून मला एकदम निरोगी आणि एकसारखी एक समान अशी रोपं मिळायला लागली.
The consistent award-winning quality of Jain Tissue Culture is due to maintenance of international practices of production, which have been recognized by international certifications like the ISO 9001, NCS TCP, and the Global GAP. The company has been awarded for its contribution in spread of new technology with awards like the Nalla Vazai Award in 1996, the Golden Peacock Award in 2004, the Rajiv Gandhi National Quality Award in 2007. The company has been recognizing the efforts of progressive and successful farmers by giving them awards like the Best Banana Producer Award, Banana Lifetime Achievement Award, and the Gaurabai High Tech Banana Award. Protocols have been standardized for propagation of pomegranate, onion, potato, sugarcane, and citrus.
Our ultimate plan here is that we should be able to use some of the technologies short of genetical modification for enhancement of yield, and at the same time we supply them those seeds along with the irrigation system which also enhances the yield. So together this basket of technologies will help them improve their income levels and reduce the poverty. It is only in this manner that we can fulfill the mission of the company. The mission of the company is leave this world a better place than you had found it when you were born.